we want to rationalize the denominator and simplify. Because we have a two-term denominator of 8 plus square root x, to rationalize the denominator, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 8 plus square root x, which is 8 minus square root x. Let's begin by multiplying the denominators. There's a shortcut when multiplying conjugates, but I will go ahead and show all four products. First we have 8 times 8, which is 64. And then we have plus 8 times negative square root x, which gives us minus 8 square root x. Next, we have square root x times 8, which is plus 8 square root x. And then we have plus square root x times negative square root x, which gives us minus the square root of x squared, which will simplify in the next step. And now in the numerator, we have 3 times 8, which is 24, and then plus 3 times negative square root x, which gives us minus 3 square root x. Next, we have 5 square root x times 8, which is plus 40 square root x. And then we have plus 5 square root x times negative square root x, which gives us minus 5 times the square root of x squared. And now let's begin to simplify. In the denominator, notice we have negative 8 square root x plus 8 square root x. These two terms are opposites, and therefore the sum is 0. And we are assuming x is greater than or equal to 0 because of the original expression, and therefore the square root of x squared is equal to x. The square root undoes a squaring, and the denominator simplifies to 64 minus x. The shortcut when multiplying the conjugates of 8 plus square root x and 8 minus square root x is to square the 8, square the square root of x, and subtract. And notice this does give us 64 minus x. But again, I normally like to show all four products. And now simplifying in the numerator, we have 24, and then negative 3 square root x plus 40 square root x simplifies to plus 37 square root x. And then we have minus 5 times the square root of x squared. Again, the square root of x squared simplifies to x, giving us minus 5x. The only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1, and therefore the expression does not simplify. I hope you found this helpful.